Welcome to part 2 of the pencil box template. In this tutorial, I will share my tips and tricks to help easily place your custom pencil box sticker. I will leave a link of all my supplies I used, including the paper, in the description box. Following part 1 of the tutorial, you are going to load the material onto your Cricut mat and into your machine. Once you hit your flashing Go button, your machine will begin to read the black registration marks for your print, then cut design. After, your machine begins to read the lines, it will then perform the cut. Finally, when it's done cutting, you will eject the mat from the machine. Now, carefully take the sticker off the mat. This is going to fit a standard 12-pack of Crayola-colored pencils. If you remember in part 1, I said we are going to set our material to cardstock even though we were using sticker paper. This is why. We are going to roll back some of the sticker paper backing to help us have more control of the sticker and aligning it up with the pencil opening cut. You can carefully readjust as needed, but I find this the easiest way to get it perfectly aligned. Once it's all aligned, then we are going to lift from the bottom and slowly remove the rest of the backing while holding it before placing the rest down. Now, we just have to smooth it down into place. After, use the lines to help cover the sides and push down over the sides. It should cover the sides perfectly if aligned correctly. Now, give it one final smoothing and it should look something like this. How cool! Your very own custom pencil boxes for your kids' back-to-school debut with their own personalization and favorite characters. I hope the tutorials and template was helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you on your next creation.